I can't believe you found that. People stand in line for that.
How come nobody there? Okay, I got this Donruss pack of 2020, 2021 cards. 30 cards.
Steph Curry?
Steph?
Oh my god.
That's good card. I don't know. Mikal Bridges, I think. And there's Garland. Bam! Yeah. That's pretty good. Joel Embiid. Jordan Ham? I mean, not Gordon Ham. Aaron Gordon. Oh, I see something shiny. I don't know who these guys.
So
Jamal? Yeah.
Jamal.
30 cards for that.
Where are the two?
RJ, Joe Harris.
Oh, you keep it?
Kawhi.
Mm-hmm.
So he only can open one?
Mm-hmm.
How many in one?
Brandon
30.
Ingram, Devin Booker, Zach LaVine. I thought this was numbered.
You know the one I buy for Riley?
Brandon Clark.
115
Oh,
cards.
this is nice.
For $115.
But this is not bad. Nico Mannion.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, Bill Russell.
That's cool.
Is this the 1960s or something? Jeff Cheek.
That's cool card.
Here's the rookies. Cherry Jones. Oh, Jaden McDaniels.
Nice. That's a nice card.
Jaden McDaniels.
Oh, this is nice. I like this one. He looks weird though.
Yeah. Oh, that's not bad.
I like this card. This is your best card right there.
Yeah. These are my best cards. The Curry, the Precious Achiuwa, the McDaniels, the who else? Kawhi. Where's Kawhi? The Bam, of course. The Kawhi. Where's the Kawhi?
I've been on meetings all day.
I can't find the Kawhi.
You're not Klum?
No.
Why he put the cookie like that?
That's what he said.
Ooh, Devin Booker.
Huh?
Oh yeah, Devin Booker.
He gonna eat after that?
Wait, where's the Kawhi?
Oh, he don't eat.
Oh, there's the Kawhi. Okay. So that's the Kawhi. Nico Mannion and Bill Russell. So these are my best cards. So the Bill Russell, the Expeditions, I don't know, Nico Mannion rookie card, the Kawhi, the Devin Booker, the Bam, I don't know if it's a Bam, Precious Achiuwa, Jaden McDaniels, a really good one, and a Steph Curry. Oh, that's a Browns. Wait. Are they all Browns? Yes, they are. And a Steph Curry. Are these all supposed to be Browns? Oh yeah, these are. These ones. These are my 3 rookies. I mean my 5 rookies or 6 rookies. My best card is this one. Jaden McDaniels. I need to sleeve these cards. I'm gonna sleeve these cards. Okay.